Open OBS Studio, then click on Settings, then click on Video. Select the resolution 1920 into 1080. Change output also same. Change common FPS value to 60. Then click on Apply. From the left side, click on Output. Then output mode change it to Advanced. Then click on Recording. Change recording format to MPEG-4. Then click on Streaming. Then change bitrate to 20,000 or 16,000 kbps. Change rate control to CQP. Then CQ level set to 15. Then go to Video. If you are not recording gameplay, then set the common FPS as 30.